Okay, so here I have this is the old vacuum pump, and as you can see, guys, this part right here, this is the way how it looks like, just the way how you see it right now. That's how it was on the inside. So it looks like somebody has something done on it already. Um, it didn't have this screw right here, and so right now here I have the other one. I took the cover off already. That is this one right here, and this goes right here, and this is how it looks like on the inside. Right now I took was pushing these parts right here off. Now with the little pliers, I need to pull this right here. I'm gonna try to be careful so it doesn't break. Sorry, it's just I'm trying to hold it with one hand and record with the other one. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to put the phone down a little bit so I can put this out and I don't do any kind of damage to it. I get a little help. My daughter is helping me. Here we go. So this is out now. This is how it looks like. You guys can see the difference between this and this right here. So big difference. It doesn't have all the parts on the inside right here. It has like little pieces on the inside that it make it a spin. It's some kind of like a fin that it goes in here. So I'm not going to open it. What I'm gonna do, it's I'm gonna disconnect it from here, and I'm gonna put this one on this one, so on that way when I put it back on the car, as like I hear before, some people says that if you just put a different one from a different car, a lot of times you have some kind of problems. I don't really know if it's true, and but I don't want to take the chances because I have only one key, and I think I would need to have two, one for the switch and one for the door, so I can program or reprogram my remote control. So I'm gonna take this off, this piece right here, and I'm gonna plug it on. I'm gonna take this off, and then I will put it all together and see what happens. So I hope this fix the problem on my logs, and I will let you know, guys, how this work.